Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with AKS, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our wonderful friends listening at home, at work, or on the bus. It is so nice to be with you today.
It is great to see you, Jake. You look very happy today.
I am happy. I feel very fresh today. The sun is shining, I have my tea, and I am ready to chat. How are you, Anna?
I am doing very well, thank you. But I am feeling a little bit nostalgic today.
Nostalgic? Ooh, that is a big word. What does nostalgic mean?
Yes, it is a big word. It means I am thinking about the past. I am thinking about memories.
Ah, I see. I feel nostalgic sometimes too. Why are you thinking about the past today?
Well, because one year has just finished and a new year is starting. It is a very special time.
Yes, it is. It is the perfect time to look back and think about the last 12 months.
Exactly. We call this reflection. We reflect on the year. We think about the good things and the bad things.
That is a great topic for today, looking back at the year.
Yes. But Jake, before we start looking back, we have a small job to do.
I know this job. We need to ask our listeners for a favor.
Yes, please. If you like learning English with us, please click the subscribe button. It really helps English with AKS grow.
And please click the like button. Give us a thumbs up. It makes us very happy.
And share this podcast with your friends. If your friend wants to learn English, tell them about English with AKS.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Okay, Anna, let's talk about the year.
Let's do it. So, Jake, when you think about last year, what is the first thing you think of?
That is a good question. Let me think for a moment.
Take your time.
I think about time.
Time?
Yes, I think, wow, the year went very fast.
Yes, I agree. It went very, very fast. January feels like it was just yesterday.
It really does. I remember New Year's Day last year. I was with my family, and we ate a big dinner.
That sounds nice.
It was, but now it is a whole year later. Where did the time go?
Time flies when we are busy. Were you busy last year?
Oh, yes, I was very busy. I worked a lot, I traveled a little, and I spent time with friends.
See, you did many things. That is why the year went fast.
What about you, Anna? Was it a fast year for you?
Yes and no. Some months were fast, but some months felt slow.
Really? Which months were slow?
February was very slow. It was cold. It rained every day. I stayed inside my house.
Ah, yes, winter can feel very long.
But the summer was very fast. I went to the beach, I went hiking, and I had so much fun.
Fun times are always fast. So Anna, let's use our grammar now. Let's talk about the past simple. What did you do last year?
Okay, a specific thing?
Yes, tell me one big thing you did.
Okay, last year I visited my sister. She lives in Canada.
Canada? Wow, that is far away.
Yes, it is. I went in August. It was beautiful. We saw mountains and lakes.
Did you see a bear?
No, I did not see a bear, thank goodness, but I did see a moose.
A moose? That is very cool. So you traveled. That is a great memory.
Yes, it was the best part of my year. What about you, Jake? What did you do?
Well, I did not go to Canada, but I started a new hobby.
A new hobby? Really? What is it?
I started playing the guitar.
No way. The guitar? That is fantastic.
Well, I am not very good, but I practiced a lot last year.
That is so interesting. Did you take lessons?
Yes, I took lessons online. I bought a guitar in March and I played every week.
That is wonderful. So you learned a new skill.
Yes, it was difficult at first. My fingers hurt.
I can imagine. But now, can you play a song?
I can play 3 songs. They are simple songs, but I am happy.
That is great, Jake. See, we did things. I traveled, you played music.
We used the past simple tense, I traveled, I played, because the year is finished.
Yes, the year is over. Those days are gone.
But Anna, we also have the present perfect tense.
Ah, yes, the present perfect. This tense connects the past to now.
Exactly. We use it to talk about life experience. For example, I have learned a lot this year.
Yes, I have learned. The learning happened in the past, but it is important now.
Correct. I have made new friends this year.
Me too. I have met many interesting people, and we have recorded many podcasts.
Yes, we have recorded so many episodes, and we have helped many students.
That is my favorite part. I feel proud of that.
Me too. So looking back is not only about events, it is also about changes.
Changes, yes. How have you changed, Anna? Good question. I think I have become calmer.
Calmer, that is a good change.
Yes, last year I was stressed sometimes, but this year I have practiced yoga.
Yoga. I have heard yoga is very good for stress.
It is. I have done yoga for 6 months now, and I feel much better.
So you have changed your routine, and you have changed how you feel.
Yes. What about you? How have you changed?
I think I have become more adventurous with food.
With food? What do you mean?
Before, I only ate simple food, pizza, sandwiches, and salad.
Okay.
But this year, I have tried many new things. I have eaten sushi, and I have eaten spicy curry.
Wow, you have been brave.
Yes, my stomach was surprised sometimes, but I liked it.
That is a good change. Trying new things is important.
It is. It makes life more exciting.
Jake, this brings me to a big question.
A big question? Okay, I am ready.
We are talking about the year. We are talking about the past.
Yes.
What was the biggest lesson you learned last year?
Ooh, that is a deep question, Anna. The biggest lesson.
Yes, not a small thing, a big life lesson.
Can I have a moment to think?
Of course. I will drink my coffee while you think.
Okay, I think I have my answer.
All right, tell us, what was your biggest lesson?
My biggest lesson was this: rest is productive.
Rest is productive? Wow. Can you explain that?
Yes, you know me, Anna. I like to work. I like to be busy.
I know. You are always doing something.
Yes, and in the past, I felt guilty when I stopped. I felt bad if I sat on the sofa.
I understand. Many people feel that way.
But last year, I got very tired. I was exhausted.
Oh no.
Yes, so I had to stop. I had to sleep more. I had to take breaks.
And what happened?
I realized that when I rest, I work better later.
Ah, that is the lesson.
Yes, resting helps my brain. It helps my energy. So rest is not doing nothing. Rest is preparing to do good work.
That is a beautiful lesson, Jake. Really. Rest is productive. I love that.
Thank you. It changed how I live. Now I take naps.
Naps are the best. Good for you.
What about you, Anna? It is your turn. What was the biggest lesson you learned last year?
My lesson is about friendship.
Friendship. Okay, tell me more.
My lesson is this: good friends are like family.
Oh, that is nice. Good friends are like family.
Yes. Last year, I had a difficult week. My car broke down. I was sick. It was a bad time.
I remember that. You had the flu.
Yes, and my family lives far away, so I felt very alone.
That is a terrible feeling.
But my friends, they were amazing. They brought me soup, they drove me to the doctor, they called me every day.
Wow, that is wonderful.
Yes, I realized that friends are not just for fun, they are for support. They take care of you.
That is so true. We choose our friends, and they become our family.
Exactly. So I have learned to appreciate my friends more. I have told them thank you many times.
That is a very important lesson. We need people. We cannot be alone.
No, we cannot. So Jake learned to rest and Anna learned to value friends.
Those are two very good lessons.
I think so. They are simple but powerful.
And you know, Anna, we learn these lessons because of our experiences.
Yes, the good experiences and the bad experiences.
The tired days taught me to rest. The sick days taught you about friends.
That is a great point. Sometimes hard times teach us the best lessons.
Yes, that is why we should not regret the past.
Regret, that is a strong word. It means to feel sad about a mistake, to wish you did not do it.
Ah, yes. No regrets, just lessons.
Exactly. If you made a mistake last year, it is okay.
Yes. Did you learn from it? Then it was a good mistake.
I made many mistakes with my guitar.
But now you can play 3 songs.
Exactly. I kept trying.
So, Anna, we have looked back, we have reflected.
Yes, we have closed the door on the old year.
How do you feel about the new year now?
I feel ready.
Ready?
Yes, I have my lessons, I have my energy because I rest now, and I am excited for new adventures.
That is the spirit.
I'm excited too. I want to make more friends, do more yoga, and record more podcasts.
Of course, always more podcasts.
You know, Jake, I think our listeners have many stories too.
I'm sure they do. Everyone has a different year. Everyone learns different things.
Yes, maybe someone learned to cook. Maybe someone learned a new language, like English.
Yes, if you are listening to this, you have learned English this year.
That is a huge achievement. You should be very proud.
Yes, please give yourself a round of applause. Clap your hands.
Yay, good job, everyone.
Learning a language takes time, but you are doing it day by day, year by year.
Exactly, and we are here with you.
Anna, I really liked this conversation. It felt warm.
It did. It felt like a real chat between friends.
Because it is.
Well, Jake, I think it is time to say goodbye for today.
Oh, already? The time went fast again.
It always does. But before we go, we have a question for you, our listeners.
Yes, we want to know about your year.
Please, in the comments, tell us, what was the biggest lesson you learned last year?
Oh, good question. Was it about work, about family, about English?
Write it in the comments. Use the past simple, I learned, or I realized.
Or use the present perfect. I have decided.
Yes, we love reading your comments. They're always so interesting.
And please don't forget to subscribe to English with AKS. Join our family.
And share this episode with anyone who wants to reflect on the year in English.
Thank you so much for listening today. We really appreciate you.
We truly do. Happy New Year to everyone, and keep learning.
Yes, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Have a great week.